Imagine a near future where Tesla, a leader in AI and innovation, no longer relies on NVIDIA for its most advanced technology. Picture a world where Tesla's vehicles and systems are powered by hardware, designed entirely in-house, breaking away from the industry standard. For years, NVIDIA's GPUs have been the backbone of the AI revolution, fueling breakthroughs in everything from self-driving cars to data centers. Nearly every major tech player has depended on their powerful chips to push the boundaries of what's possible in artificial intelligence. But what happens when Tesla, a tech giant in its own right, decides to break free and build its own AI hardware? This bold move signals a new era where Tesla is no longer just a customer, but a direct competitor in the AI hardware space. This isn't just a business move. It's a seismic shift in the tech landscape, with the potential to disrupt established power structures and create new opportunities for innovation. Tesla wants control over its most critical component, the brain of its vehicles. By designing its own chips, Tesla can optimize every detail for its unique needs, from energy efficiency to processing power. By building its own chips, Tesla aims for true technological independence, tailoring hardware for its ambitious vision of autonomy and self-driving technology. This could lead to faster innovation and more tightly integrated systems. The clash between NVIDIA's established empire and Tesla's bold rebellion could reshape the entire AI industry, sparking new rivalries and alliances as companies choose sides. The outcome will ripple through everything from massive data centers to everyday smart devices, redefining the future of machine intelligence and changing how we interact with technology in our daily lives. At the heart of Tesla's ambition are its custom AI chips, codenamed AI5, which represent years of research and development in advanced hardware. And now, Tesla is preparing to launch the next generation, the highly anticipated AI6, which is expected to push the boundaries of what's possible in automotive intelligence. These chips are engineered for one thing: processing the massive visual data streams that power self-driving cars, analyzing information from cameras, sensors, and radar in real time. Unlike NVIDIA's general-purpose GPUs, Tesla's chips are laser-focused on machine vision, making them incredibly efficient for the unique demands of autonomous driving. Every element is optimized for Tesla's neural networks, enabling rapid, accurate perception and decision-making, which is crucial for safety and reliability on the road. This specialization means more power, less energy use, and faster innovation, allowing Tesla to iterate and improve its technology at a remarkable pace. With each new chip generation, Tesla's vehicles become smarter and more capable, learning from billions of miles driven and constantly updating their abilities. The AI6 promises even greater leaps, running more complex models for safer, more reliable autonomy, and setting new standards for the industry. These chips are the evolving brains of Tesla's fleet, constantly learning and adapting to new challenges on the road. Each upgrade brings us closer to fully autonomous driving, where cars can safely navigate any environment with minimal human intervention. Why does Tesla invest billions to design its own chips instead of buying from NVIDIA? The answer: control and speed. Custom silicon frees Tesla from supply chain risks and lets hardware and software teams collaborate seamlessly. This tight integration accelerates innovation and slashes costs by eliminating unnecessary features. Tesla's chips are built for efficiency, crucial for electric vehicles where every watt counts. Owning the chip design creates a moat, making it hard for competitors to catch up. For Tesla, custom AI chips are a strategic weapon in the race for true autonomy. Tesla's ultimate goal is a global Robotaxi network, an ambitious vision where cars drive themselves, seamlessly navigating city streets and highways without human intervention. These vehicles don't just transport people, they work around the clock, earning money for their owners while providing convenient, on-demand rides to anyone, anywhere. To make this possible, Tesla's AI chip must be not only superhumanly reliable and efficient, but also capable of learning and adapting to new situations on the fly. Each car generates massive amounts of data every second, from cameras, sensors, and radar, and the chip must process it all instantly, making split-second decisions to keep passengers safe. Multiply that by millions of vehicles on the road, and it's clear, efficiency and scalability become absolutely critical for the entire network to function smoothly. Tesla's custom-designed chips are built specifically for this task, giving them a significant cost and performance advantage over general-purpose NVIDIA hardware used by competitors. Lower power consumption means more time on the road, less frequent charging stops, and ultimately, higher profits for both Tesla and vehicle owners. If Tesla's chips deliver on their promise, the company could roll out robotaxis faster, at a larger scale, and more profitably than anyone else in the industry. The chip isn't just a component, it's the very foundation of Tesla's bold vision for the future of transportation, enabling a world where mobility is smarter, safer, and more accessible. The success of robotaxis and the future of autonomous travel depends on these tiny, powerful brains working flawlessly together. Don't count NVIDIA out. Its GPUs remain the backbone of global AI research and industry. NVIDIA's strength is its scale and versatility, powering everything from labs to automakers. Its platform approach lets thousands of companies build on its hardware, creating a powerful network effect. For most car makers, NVIDIA's ready-made solutions are the practical choice. Tesla's path is deep integration, custom hardware and software, optimized for one mission. NVIDIA's is broad dominance, empowering countless industries with flexible, powerful tools. The real question: can Tesla's specialized approach outpace NVIDIA's massive, adaptable ecosystem? The next decade will decide which vision shapes the future of AI and autonomy.